Nokia 8.1 smartphone was launched in December 2018. The phone comes with a 6.18-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2244 pixels. The Nokia 8.1 is powered by 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 400 GB via micro SD card. The cameras are concerned, the Nokia 8.1 packs a 12-megapixel, f1.8, 1.4 micron primary camera and a 13-megapixel secondary camera on the rear and a 20-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Nokia 8.1 is powered by a 3500 mAh non-removable battery. Measures 154.80 x 75.76 x 7.97, height x width x thickness, and weighs 178.00 grams. The Nokia 8.1 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB Type-C, FM, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include face unlock, fingerprint sensor,